Hey guys, Trent with Hallsguide Diecast News here, and I've got a 2022 Hot Wheels G case. I think I've already done the H case unboxing, but the G case actually came after the H case. I also have some more. I believe the J and the K case all came in at the same time, so be on the lookout for those as well. But this is the G case for 2022. We're going to open this one up, find out what's inside. Alright, first up we have the Lotus Sport Elise from the Factory Fresh series, white with a green stripe down the middle. And we have the GMC Hummer EV, electric vehicle, new GMC Hummer there in yellow. It's a new model. And then we have the Alfa Romeo 8C Competizione Factory Fresh series. This one is dark red. And then we have the Volkswagen Käfer Racer. This one is the one that is used as the Super Treasure Hunt for this series. This is the regular version, but I do have the Super on hand, so I will go ahead and put that one in there. You can compare the two. There is the Super. That one came out of another case, another G case. That is the Super though. So notice you've got the darker paint, that's the Spectra Flame paint, and then you've got the Real Rider wheels, those gold 4 spokes, as opposed to kind of looks like copper 5 spokes on the regular version. And then you have the TH up there on the top as well. So that is for the treasure hunt. So that's the Super Treasure Hunt. So that's what the Super looks like for that one. They're pretty rare. They don't show up in cases very often. There is the Carne Asada taco car. I'm sure Dr. Jill Biden would love that one. There's the Batman Arkham Asylum Batmobile in maroon. And the 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel in red. Really nice truck there. The Lucid Air from the Green Speed series. That is another EV. We're starting to see a lot of EVs now popping up in the diecast world and on the roads as well. So it's no longer just Tesla. This one's not an EV. That's a 55 Chevy Bel Air Gasser. Triassic 5. This is the purple version. The first one came out in green. Modeled after Brendan Viteski's own 55 Chevy. There's the Bogzilla. And in 2005 Ford Mustang. This is the custom Mustang done for the SEMA Auto Show. From the Spoiler Alert series. And then it's a TV series Batmobile. It's the classic TV series. And the Skull Crusher. 2 different shades of blue there. 85 Honda City Turbo 2. The Mighty K, that's a new model. This one's pink. One of Ryu's rides. And it's the Duck and Roll. This is the regular treasure hunt for this case. Do you see the Circle Flame logo? There it is. It's his eyeball this time. Circle Flame logo is the duck's eyeball. That was really sneaky. Well, they put that one in there. You see it on the card art as well. This one's the golden duck. So that's the regular treasure hunt. We've seen the Super and the regular. There's the custom 70 Honda N600. The Driftsta. Another Skull Crusher. And the kit Super Pursuit Mode from Knight Rider. There it is, Knight Rider on the card from the Screen Time series. Another Alfa Romeo. And a Mazda Ripu truck. Rotary engine pickup. Bright green. White wheels. Rotary power. Another Bel Air gasser. And a Baja Bone Shaker in satin blue. And there we've got a tuned Volkswagen Golf MK1. It's the tuned version. And a 57 Chevy. So we've seen a 55 Chevy in this one. Did we see the 55? We saw the Bel Air gasser. And now we've got a 57 Chevy. GMC Hummer EV. The 19 Mercedes-Benz A-Class from the Hot Wheels hatchback series. From the J Imports, it's the Mazda RX-3. Dark green, with yellow stripes, black fenders there. The Electrac from the X-Racers series. Twinnin' and Winnin' from the Baja Blazer series. And it's a 90 Acura NSX from the J Import series. Another TV series Batmobile. Here's another Dodge Ram Rebel. Volkswagen 850 Estate in dark green, forest green. Ford Focus RS in orange. Alright, second half here, we've got the Ren and Rig in orange. Make some room here. And the Nissan Proto Z from the Factory Fresh series. This is a new model. It's got a lot of dust on it. Get some of that dust off of there. Nissan Proto Z. It's a really cool one there. Another Carde Asado for Taco Tuesday. The Lay-In Lowrider. I believe we saw this one in the H Case 2 when I unboxed that one. And the Barbie Extra. Here's the Barbie Extra. This is a new model. It's got the little wing on the side. Was it supposed to be a Corvette maybe? There's the Twinnin' and Winnin'. And the Porsche 935 from the Retro Racer series. Really nice graphics on that. And the gold wheels, the wire gold wheels on that pairs really nicely. There's a Batman Arkham Asylum Batmobile. And there is another regular version of the Volkswagen Käfer Racer. The Volkswagen Beetle in green with the wood grain panel. Koenigsegg Gemera. And a 99 Honda Civic Type R EK9 in yellow. I believe this was the Super Treasure Hunt for the case before this one. Maybe it was the F case. Another Barbie Extra. and the Roadster bite. There's a green 76 Corvette, or Greenwood Corvette. Really nice color. Another 19 Mercedes-Benz A-Class in yellow. And Alfa Romeo 8C Competizione. The Tooligan in orange. There's the 87 Ford Sierra Cosworth, new color on this one. From the Retro Racers. Batman Arkham Asylum Batmobile. There's a Porsche 935 in black and gold. There's a Cyber Speeder. And a 55 Chevy. So a lot of Bel Airs in this case. They have their own series this time around, Bel Air series. Bogzilla. Brick and Trails, another new model. This is a Jeep type Lego brick car. Another Mazda Ripu. The Bubble-Matic Xperia Motor Series. That bubble wand pops up on the back. Send it down the track with some bubbles. Hours of fun. There's the Snowstormer. Snowstormer there. Another Lotus Sport Elise. Koenigsegg Gemera. The GMC Hummer EV. Another 55 Chevy. And a TV series Batmobile. There's another Bubble-Matic. And we finish off with two 87 Ford Sierra Cosworths. There you go. So that was the G case. I'm not going to do a whole wrap up. Going to move on because I do have other cases to work through. But that was the G case. And hope you enjoyed that one. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see all the other cases that we get as they come in, as well as other brands. We have a lot of other brands that we cover. Mini GT, M2 Machines, Greenlight, Auto World, Johnny Lightning. We've got all kinds of stuff. So subscribe to our channel. We'll continue to bring you lots of diecast content, and thank you for watching.